Good day. Today, Ohana and I are going to talk about the secret messengers, glands and hormones. The first one is the pituitary. The pituitary controls all the endocrine gland in our body and are also called the master gland. The next one is the hypothalamus. The hypothalamus secretes hormones that or suppress the release of hormones in the pituitary gland. It is also the one who develops our other body organs. The next one is the pineal. The pineal regulates our sleep-wake cycle. Next one is thyroid. The thyroid controls or regulates tissue metabolic rate or regulates calcium level. Next one is parathyroid. The parathyroid regulates calcium levels in the body. Thymus. This stimulates the production and maturation of lymphocytes. The adrenal. The adrenal adjusts water balance, tissue metabolism, and respiratory activity. Ovaries. The ovaries produce and store egg and make hormones that controls menstrual cycle and pregnancy. Testes. The testes is responsible for making sperm and are also involved in producing a hormone called testosterone. And lastly, we have the pancreas. The pancreas regulates blood glucose in our body. Now let us now dive into the hormones, which Ohana will discuss.
Hormones. The pituitary glands are associated with the growth hormones or GH, which is stimulating the growth of bones and muscles in our body. And also we have adrenocorticotropic hormones or ACTH that stimulates the adrenal glands to release cortisol. Next, hypothalamus. The hypothalamus are associated with the TRH or thyrotropin releasing hormones that stimulates the release of TSH or TSH, thyroid stimulating hormones and prolactin. Okay. Also we have CRH or corticotropin releasing hormones. Okay, next. For pineal gland, we have melatonin that regulates our sleep cycles rhythm, then increases the evening making you feel sleepy, and decreases in the morning to help you wake up. Okay, next. For the thyroid, we have three hormones: the threonine, thyroxine, and calcitonin. Okay, next. Parathyroid. The parathyroid, we have associated hormones, which is the parathormone. The parathormone increases the blood calcium levels in the body. Also, PTH is essential for maintaining calcium balance. Okay, next, the thymus. Also, the thymus, we have three hormones: the thymosin, thymolin, and thymopoietin. Okay, next, the adrenal glands. Also, we have three hormones: the adrenaline, which is responsible for quick actions, the cortisol, and aldosterone. Okay. Next, for ovaries, we have two hormones: the estrogen, which is responsible for female reproductive structures such as the uterus, ovaries, and breast. Okay. For progesterone, they prepare the uterus for pregnancy by taking the uterine lining or endometrium. Okay, next. Testes. The testes or testosterone hormones is responsible for making sperm productions within the seminiferous tubules. Okay, next. For the pancreas, we have two hormones, the insulin and glucagon. Okay, the insulin is responsible for lower blood glucose levels by promoting the uptake of glucose into cells. For glucagon, they raises blood glucose levels by stimulating the liver to convert stored glycogen back into glucose. Okay.